start tonight at 6 with the U.S. Supreme Court upholding a Tennessee ban on gender-affirming care for minors, similar to a law passed right here in Iowa back in 2023. State House reporter Skylar Talal takes a look at what this ruling means for Iowans.
Similar to Tennessee, trans youth in Iowa don't have access to puberty blockers and hormones to reduce physical changes and surgical operations. While not impossible, the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Tennessee law means it's unlikely a challenge to Iowa's law would be successful.
I think it's monumental decision for truth and for following the data.
I think in our current moment, it's not necessarily surprising to see a ruling like this, but it is really disheartening.
Iowa is one of roughly 26 states banning kids from receiving gender-affirming care. State Rep Steve Holt managed the bill in the House and says Republicans' goal is to protect young people in Iowa, claiming the treatments are dangerous for Iowa's youth.
I think the data is pretty clear here. That this is not a great idea until a person has gone through puberty, and then they can make those decisions as adults.
LGBTQ plus advocates say gender-affirming care is already hard to access, arguing legislation like this is harmful for children already struggling with their identity.
A feeling of hopelessness and powerlessness because, again, over and over and over and over, systems of power in our country are failing trans youth.
They also worry this ruling sets a concerning precedent and could lead to additional healthcare restrictions.
We shouldn't be too susceptible to the idea that this is just relegated to young people who don't know yet, because what we're seeing is that the age is creeping up to 21 to 25.
While Iowa's current law only pertains to minors, Governor Kim Reynolds recently signed a bill into law that bans Medicaid from covering gender-affirming care for all ages. In Des Moines, Skylar Talal reporting.